Next question. Purchased of second-hand car debited to conveyance account 60,000. Firm charge 10% depreciation on vehicles. So in one question we have two questions now. First is what car was purchased. I have put it in conveyance account. This is first mistake. And then when I have not entered car in my books, definitely I have not provided for the depreciation. I need to do it now. So the first part of it, you have purchased car. And you have put it in the conveyance account. So my right, wrong, reverse and rectified entries are right is car account debit to cash. Car is coming in. Okay. Wrong entry is I have put it in conveyance account. So conveyance account debit to cash. Now I have to reverse it. Cash account debit to conveyance. And the rectified entry will be cancel whatever you can, and I will cancel this car credit, this cash credit to cash debit, and then I will get car account debit to conveyance account. To conveyance account. The amount is 60,000. Okay. Now the second part of my question. Firm charge 10% depreciation on vehicles. When I have not done an entry that a car or a vehicle has come in, definitely the entry of depreciation is missing. So I have to pass that entry now. Depreciation entry omitted. Pass it now. So the second entry will be depreciation account debit to car. This is what we do for depreciation entry. Depreciation is my expense, so I will debit the expense, and car I will credit because the value of the asset is getting decreased. So to car, assets have a debit balance, but I want to decrease the value, I put it in the credit side. 10% of 60,000 is 6,000. So this is the question that we have solved. Now the next question. Sales to Rita rupees 500 posted to Yani's account. Sales to Rita, right entry, wrong entry, reverse entry and rectified entry. So sales to Rita, the entry will be Rita account debit to sales account. Okay, the wrong entry is, what have I done? I have posted it to Yani's account. So I have done Yani's account debit instead of Rita to sales account. Okay, now I have to reverse it. So sales account debit to Yani's account. Now for rectifying, right and reverse, cancel credit sales with debit sales, and you have Rita's account debit by 500 to Yani. Yani's account 500. This was a simple one. Now moving to the next.